Hi guys, my name is KUHAN, son of RAVEENDRAN, and my metric number is B1324100063.
My name is THARMEEN. My matrix number is B1324100080.
Okay, my name is ALIF FARHAN ROHAIZAN. My matrix number B13241006.
Yeah, hi guys, my name is ISWARAN, son of VIKNESWARAN. My matrix number is B1324100045.
Hi, my name is HARISH RAVI. My matrix number is B1324100001. Thank you.
To disassemble the drum rotor, use hydraulic jack to lift up the car and put jack stand to prevent any injury. So the first step is to remove the tire using air gun and bolt 21. After we open the tire, place the tire under the car for safety precaution if the stand fails. To open the caliper, use combination spanner wrench 14 to unbolt both nuts that hold the caliper. Then remove the brake pad and also the pad clip. Use combination spanner wrench 14 to unbolt two nuts at the back of the mounting bracket.
Two, three.
And then we can easily remove the drum rotor. Use ratchet which bolt 14 and remove 4 bolts that hold wheel hub. To disassemble drum, use a tool such as plier to remove the hole pin and hold down spring, and also shoe support pin spring for both sides.
Next, pegang dia punya bawah.
Gini, kita kan macam tadi.
Dengan spring patut. Ini spring itu tekan panas sebenarnya.
Nadu lah.
Itu ya.
Justru tekan di sini. Buka kan?
Ni pakai kain. Yang pemula baca orang hospital pergi kata orang.
Panas mana?
Dah.
Ini. Ekor tadi.
Spring unset கழட்டுங்க. Okay.
Lab sheet எடுத்துடலாம் போல.
Alright. See, brake shoe is not in good condition. Same goes to the other side.
Measure the inside diameter at several places using a vernier clipper to determine the amount of out of ram. For the first measurement, we get 166.59, and for the second measurement, we get 167.15. For the third measurement, we got 166.60, and for the final reading, we got 167.17. Next up, we're gonna measure the thickness of brake shoes.
For the thickness, we got 1.16, and also for the other side of the thickness, we get 2.12.
For inspection, take a chalk and color the drum surface.
Tapi dia aku tengok video dia apa terus je. Dia main hantar edit je. The group the new video right? Yeah, the new video.
Then, take the brake shoe and move along for 3 or 4 times of the drum surface to see the drum is even or not. As you can see, the brake shoe is not even in one side.
Now we are doing the refitting or assembly, which is putting back the drum shoes again, and also putting back the pin spring to lock the drum shoes. We use a cloth to cover the surface during putting back the spring, so for safety precaution, as the spring didn't hit at our face. And now we are tying back the drum brake to the wheel hub. Now we tied it up with the wheel hub. Next is to assembly back the mounting bracket.
டயர் போட்டுறீங்களா அட பாருங்க
போட்டு அப்படியே நேரம் சுற்றி போடுங்க வீடியோ எடுத்து தரேன். ஓகே அதை அமுத்துங்க.
Then put back the brake pad and also the pad pins.
பாருங்க என்ன சொல்றேன்
வீடியா பாரு பைத்தியமே. ஐயோ ஆடுது மின்னுக்கு ஸ்டாண்ட் இல்லை ஆடுது. முதல்ல நான் தூக்குறப்பே லாரியா ஆரம்பிச்சிச்சு.
After that, put back the tire and also
பழைய வீடு டீல் பண்ணிட்டேன்
முதல்ல தத்தாடா இருக்கேன் நான் கொஞ்சோண்டு
கணிச்சு ஒரு பக்கத்தில் இது பண்ணி ஃபுல்லாக அடிச்சிங்க
My name is THARMEEN and I'm going to present about lab 3. Okay, so first of all, these are the components in the drum brake of a car. The first part is called drum, the second part is called automatic adjuster spring, the third part is called return spring, the fourth part is called adjuster lever, the fifth part is called anchor pin, the sixth part is called bottom shoe return spring, the seventh part is called hold down pin. The 8th component is called hold down spring. The 9th component is called shoe support pin spring. And the 10th component is called shoe. The 11th component is called brake shoe and parking brake lever assembly. The 12th is called spring brake shoe holder. The 13th part is called brake pad holder cap. The 14th part is called parking brake lever. The 15th part is called leading shoe. The 16th part is called brake shoe holder. The 17th part is called parking brake cable. The 18th part is called hydraulic brake line. And the 19th part is called wheel hub. And the last one, the 20th part, is called wheel cylinder. Okay, so these are the conditions of the drum brake part based on our visual inspection. First of all is the brake drum, and it's in good condition. The retainer spring is also in good condition. The thickness of the shoe and lining assembly is 1.66 millimeters, which is bad condition. The shoe to shoe spring first is in a bad condition because it's rusted. The second shoe to shoe spring is also in bad condition, which is rusted. The piston is in bad condition, and lastly, the brake drum is in good condition. Okay, that's all.
Oh shit. So moving on with the inspection of the drum brake parts, the brake lining thickness was 1.16 mm. The brake drum inside diameter was calculated at 4 different points. The first point was 166.59 mm. The second point was 166.60 mm. The third part is 167.17 mm. The fourth part was 167.15 mm. There's not much of a deviation in between them, so this is still in the acceptable range. When it comes to the shoe and the lining assembly, its thickness was only 7.47 mm. A recommended shoe and lining assembly for a compact sedan is at 9 mm. So this is clearly way below the safety line. So moving on to our discussion answers. So our first question is, based on your finding, what is the condition of brake shoe lining? Should it be replaced with a new shoe lining? So based on the brake shoe lining inspection, there were uneven wear noticed at the bottom half of the brake shoe, which is on the left and also the right brake shoes. The surface of the brake shoe lining was checked by applying chalk on the rubbing surface and simulated the braking effect by rubbing the brake shoe lining against the rubbing surface of the rotor. Since the brake shoe wasn't making full contact with the rubbing surface of the rotor, it is highly recommended to change the entire brake shoe lining.
Okay, hi. My name is KUHAN and I'm going to present about discussion number 2, which is explain your result of drum brake inside diameter. Okay, the drum brake inside diameter for our drum brake was 166.56 mm, where due to friction increases the inner diameter of the drum brake over time. When the brake pedal is pressed, the outer movement of the brake shoes meets the inside surface, which is rubbing surface, or the inner side of the drum. Next, the contact creates friction that is necessary to slowing down the vehicle. However, the continued friction between these takes away the materials from the inside surface of the drum and gradually increase the inside diameter. So, as the drum becomes warm, it may reach a point where it extends the manufacturing recommended maximum diameter, including the needs for replacement. So, in that case, the thickness is well within the safe range for the compound vehicle, which is rated of 230.5 mm for the inside diameter of the drum brake. So the next discussion is If deep crack found on the drum, can we repair? So, if a deep crack in the brake drum cannot be safely repaired and we must replace it because crack in a drum are the indicator of a several components in its structural integrity. Considering that the drum endures high stress and intense heat when braking, welding or fitting of the crack does not restore the original strength, which means it loses the original strength as repaired area is likely to fail again under thermal expansion. So crack cause imbalance and uneven contact with brake shoes. So this can leading to vibration, noise, and less efficiency during braking. So most of them recommend to replace the cracked drum without we try to attempt to repair it for our safety and also the reliability of braking and also operation of the braking. That's all from me. Thank you.
What is the advantage of the drum brake compared to disc brake? Drum brake offers several advantages over disc brake, making them suitable for specific vehicle application. They are cost effective, which lower manufacturing, installation, and maintenance costs, making them common in economy vehicles and as rear brake in many cars. Additionally, drum brake benefit from self-energizing effects, where drum rotation helps the brake shoes press harder against the surface, providing effective braking with less hydraulic pressure. These features make them ideal for heavy-duty vehicles such as truck, bus, which require strong braking at low speed. Drum brakes are also durable and long-lasting, as their enclosed design protect components from dirt, water, and debris, reducing wear and contaminations. This makes them reliable in off-road environment. Furthermore, many drum brakes have integrated parking brake, simplifying the design, while these brakes excel in heat dissipation and high-speed performance. Drum brakes are favored for cost, durability, and braking force in certain applications.
Uh, this is our conclusion about drum brake. Okay. In the drum brake experiment, the condition of the brake shoreline is assessed by measuring its thickness. If it's worn down to the minimum limit, replacement is necessary to ensure effective braking. The inside diameter of the drum is also measured to confirm its width mean the manufacturer recommended range. If a deep crack is found on the drum, it cannot be repaired and must be replaced to maintain brake safety. Compared to disc brake, drum brake offer advantage like cost effectiveness, durability, and efficient braking at low speeds. Overall, the experiment highlights the importance of proper brake maintenance for vehicle safety. Thank you.